secret place of God Most High shall rest under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, my refuge and my strength, He is my fortress, in Him I trust. He will cover me with His wings of love. Under His shelter I am safe and strong. His truth is my shield, my guiding light. I will not fear. God is by my side. If I make the Lord my dwelling place, no harm will come near my home. No plague will touch my life or my door, for He watches over me always. He will command His angels for me to guard me in all my ways. They will lift me up in their hands, so I will not fall or be harmed. He will cover me with His wings of love. Under His shelter I am safe and strong. His truth is my